In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change team member permissions in FreshBooks. Whether you're a business owner managing a team or simply looking to update the access levels for your team members, this step-by-step guide is designed to help you navigate the process smoothly and efficiently. Let's get started by going over to the FreshBooks website. You can easily do this by opening your preferred web browser and performing a quick search for FreshBooks. Once you've landed on their homepage, you'll see an option to log into your account in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your login credentials. As always, keep these details secure and private to ensure your account remains protected. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your FreshBooks dashboard. This is your main hub for managing all things related to your business invoice and expense needs. From here, direct your attention to the left sidebar and locate the Team Members tab. Clicking on this tab will take you to a new page where you'll see a list of all your current team members. Scroll through your list of team members until you find the individual whose permissions you wish to change. Click on their name, and this will open up their specific profile details. Here, you have access to a variety of information, but what we're focusing on today is altering their permissions. To change permissions, look for the Edit button conveniently located beside the Role or Permissions section. Clicking this will allow you to modify what this team member can or cannot do in FreshBooks. A new menu with different permission options will appear. Here, you have the opportunity to carefully select or deselect the permissions that align with your current team structure or project needs. It's essential to be mindful of the permissions you are granting, as these determine the extent of access your team member will have within the platform. Once you're satisfied with the changes, confirm your selections. This typically involves saving or updating your modifications, ensuring the new settings take effect immediately. As you can see, changing team member permissions in FreshBooks is a straightforward process, yet immensely useful in effectively managing your business operations. It empowers you to assign roles that best fit the expertise and responsibilities of your team members, enhancing productivity and ensuring proper access controls are maintained. Thank you for tuning in, and hopefully, this guide has aided in clarifying how to oversee team permissions within FreshBooks. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like or a comment, and don't hesitate to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.